How to properly install a screen protector on a Tesla Model 3 or Y. So I got this screen protector from AliExpress for just under $30. So peel off the film that comes with the touch screen. Let's see what we get with the screen protector. Seems like we get a bunch of stuff. Seems like we get a toolkit. Let's see what's in here. Some instruction manual, toolkit, squeezy, and also something to protect the screen protector, which sits on a huge tray. So what you don't want to do is straight away apply the screen protector on top of the touchscreen. That's not what you want to do. Instead, try to find screen clean mode. Then using the wet wipes, clean the touchscreen, followed by dry towel. Then peel off the film that says back. Using the huge tray, align it to the touchscreen. Once it's aligned, press and slide and wait for 30 seconds. Remove the blue sticker. Remove the tray as well. And also remove the film. Now use the squeegee to remove all the bubbles from the touchscreen. Now press the hold and exit button for 3 seconds, and that's it.